Hello everyone, I'm sopping wet. We arrived at our cabin and it was very rainy. I had to put this tent up in the rain, that's why I'm wet. It's Dima's PTO.
She's having some water over there.
We're trying to make some food. Ironically though, I was able to keep the fire going. All is well now. What is this exactly?
Chicken, sausage, tomatoes, Brussels sprouts, onions, and peppers.
No sausage?
Chicken sausage.
Oh.
What did you say you got us out here?
Got them nice and easy cooking. Got a little bit more time on them. Didi's hot dog.
Yummy.
These have been cooking for about 45 minutes. We're going to take them off, see what they're all about. Which way do we open them?
Whatever way they open, honestly. You might have to just rip it.
Yeah, I'll just use a knife. Probably not how you're supposed to open foil, but that's how I'm doing it.
Ooh.
We got ourselves whatever this is.
It's a foil packet.
It's a foil packet, and we're gonna indulge. Dima.
Hot. Oh, okay, there's more tomatoes in that one.
But now we're gonna eat.
Let us eat. Let us feast.
But this is our little abode for the next couple of days. Got the lights up. Got a hot tub going. I had to put the tent up because it was raining, but it's not going to be raining tomorrow. Got the fire going. The food was delicious. Wasn't it, babe?
It was so good.
Wasn't the food delicious?
Delish. Like delish. 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 He's scared of it. Aww.
Because it's Didi's PTO. It's Didi's PTO. It's Dima's PTO.
Dima, you want chicken stick? Chicken stick? Grandma's house? Grandma's? Outside? He says, I don't know what you're talking about, Mom.
It's Didi's PTO. Good morning, everyone. We're still out here in the woods. It's morning time, it's almost 9 a.m. We slept in a little later than we wanted to, but clear skies, sun's out. We're gonna go get some really cool shots, get some coffee, and then we're gonna relax. That's all. What this whole trip is about. Just taking it easy and giving my boy D over here some PTO time. Ain't that right, D? Nikita's survival tips. I'm gonna show you how I start my fire. Let's do it. By no means the right way to do it, or probably the correct way to do it, but this is how I do it. I line these up in like a hashtag format with all the dry pieces kind of facing inwards, like the parts that are going to catch fire the easiest, the kindling. And then I fill the middle in with some twigs, some kindling, so that it takes easier. And that way, I think, in my opinion, it stays more contained. And then it just burns easier and you can add on to it. So that's my 2 cents on starting a fire. Thank you for joining me on Nikita's survival tips. Have fun burning your house down. Cooking some hamburgers. Some corn. Cooking. Still got the fire going.
Nice and toasty.
Ooh.
Everybody's having a good time.
Good time. Dina is absolutely petrified of the drone. Dee, it's okay. It's okay, buddy. There she goes. Lady of old. Can't see my dick, can you?
No.
We're hot tubbing, man.
It's cold out here.
It's so cold out here.
Is it hot?
Oh, it's so nice in here. Alrighty. It's a little bit later in the day. We chilled out at the hot tub, had some fun, picked some leaves, chilled out in the house a little, in the cabin, more or less, a little bit. And now I'm gonna start prepping dinner. We're having shish kebabs and some foil bowls. The grill master's at it again, so let's get to it. Also, since the last time, our ANN plus D is still here. Still here. It's really chilly and brisk out, but just so peaceful. So peaceful. The bowls are on. Gonna be slow cooking for about 45 minutes with some corn. Time to work on the fire. So I didn't record us actually making the shish kebabs because it was a trying process. But shish kebabs are done. We ate all the beef and chicken and sausage out of them already, so there's just the chicken left. We got some garlicky seasoned potatoes. I was cooking on top in the bowl.
I think that's too rare.
Beef, not for me. Some Brussels sprouts, tomatoes, and onion, and some Cajun corn.
Cajun corn.
Dina. It's Sunday morning. We're leaving today. There's Dee. What's he doing? Sleeping. It's the end of Dee's PTO. Aurora's making breakfast. Smells real good in here. It is freezing as hell outside. We used up all our firewood yesterday. I'm kind of glad we used it yesterday though, because it's cold as shit out there. So we're gonna have some delicious breakfast, and then we're gonna start packing up to go home. All right, it's a little bit later. We had some food. We're pretty much all packed up. There's Dina enjoying the last minutes of his PTO. But yeah, it's been a great trip. We had so much fun. We definitely relaxed and had the getaway that we really needed. So it's our third time here. We'll probably be back again. That is a guarantee, because we always come back places. But yeah, it's been a great time. It's nice outside. We're sad to go, but we gotta. So we'll see you guys next time.